Hello everyone, today I will show you how to fix low brightness in Windows 10. So right now I'm in full brightness, but it's still really low. It's really dim and I can't see it that well. So what you want to do is that you want to go on the start menu, and you want to go into settings, you want to go into system, power and sleep, then on related settings you want to click on additional power settings. Then here you want to click on change plan settings, then advanced, then this will bring up. You want to scroll down all the way to display and then enable adaptive brightness, and you want to click off on both of these. That's pretty much it. Now it's really bright, it's blinding bright. And yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching.